Are you looking for a peaceful hike with stunning views and an escape of crowds? Join me as we explore Lassen Volcanic National Park, where we discover the cold-boiling lake trail to Bumpass Hell. We hiked there in the July of 2023. It wasn't too hot once you get into the mountain. It's a 5-mile trail with approximately 980 feet elevation gain. It took us about 2.5 hours to finish. It was absolutely beautiful, with wildflowers, butterflies, and serene water streams around you. The burnt trees from the Dixie Fire open up the views, making the hike feel spacious and worry-free of bear hiding behind the trees. It was so peaceful, we only saw 4 other hikers during our whole trek. At Bumpass Hell, we encountered a boardwalk closure at the time, but as of July 2024, it's already reopened. Remember to always check the National Park website for any updates or trail closures before you go. The best part about Lassen Volcanic National Park is it's open 24/7, 365 days a year with no reservations needed, unlike many other popular parks. After our hike, we drove to Manzanita Lake. An unexpected passenger who needed a ride. Oh no, I guess that's what happened when you don't wear a seatbelt. Don't worry, it's fine, I let it out after we stopped the car. This is the view we saw driving in the park. Wildflowers and streams were everywhere. I love this trip so much that I went home and created a special souvenir. Here's a quick look of how I make my customizable mountain dioramas. These mini version of landscape can sit on my desk or my fridge, or anywhere I like to remind me of the beautiful mountains that we hiked on. You can even choose a specific mountains or trail. I'll craft it just for you. Going back to the park. After our hike and Bumpass Hell, we drove to the Manzanita Lake. At the lake, you can see the Chaos Crag Mountains and Lassen Peak reflecting on the lake. It was great to stop by there before heading back to the Airbnb to enjoy more serene and peaceful scenic. We sat there and stared at the mountain and the lake view for about 15 minutes. It was amazing how the view made the time feel suspended. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video and want to support my channel, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'll see you again soon in the next video. And don't forget to check out my shops if you like to create your own customized mountain diorama.